Hi! In front of me is REALME GT 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and download your new default app, in my case Opera Mini Browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and choose Home button. Then go into Device Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and click on Apps over here. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so in my case Browser app. Then to set up your new default app, click on it and tap on the back button. As you can see, default app on my Realme has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!